Welcome back, crypto enthusiast. Today we are diving into a head-to-head comparison, as we love to do on this channel, between two prominent meme coin trading bots, Photon and Trojan. So if you're navigating the Solana meme coin landscape and seeking the optimal tool for your trading strategy, this video is for you. So both Photon and Trojan have carved out significant reputations in the Solana ecosystem, each offering unique features to enhance your trading experience. Let's dissect the two. Photon is a web-based trading bot designed for high-frequency traders, supporting both the Ethereum mainnet and the Solana networks. Its mobile-friendly interface ensures traders can monitor and execute trades on the go. Trojan operates as a Telegram-based bot, streamlining the trading process for Solana meme coin enthusiasts. It's recognized for its user-friendly setup and real-time trading capabilities. So when we talk about Photon, we've got to talk about speed. Photon emphasizes rapid trade execution, providing users with a speed advantage in every transaction. Traders can access real-time security, updates, and monitor their portfolios seamlessly. In terms of accessibility, the platform's web-based nature combined with mobile compatibility ensures traders can operate without relying on Telegram. Trojan, on the other hand, operates within Telegram, so it offers a familiar interface for users, facilitating ease of use. In terms of trading volume, with a lifetime volume of $1.90 billion and over 145,000 users, Trojan ranks number 4 in these metrics on the Solana network. The bot provides direct access to live price feeds with zero delay, which is crucial for time-delay decision-making. So in conclusion, both Photon and Trojan present robust solutions for meme coin trading on the Solana network. If you prioritize a web-based, mobile-friendly platform with high-frequency trading capabilities, Photon might be your go-to. Conversely, if you prefer a Telegram integrated bot with a proven track record and real-time price feeds, Trojan definitely stands out. Thank you for joining us. If you found this video helpful, do consider giving us a like and subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.